What if I told you? Most inflatable hot tubs leak within weeks? After 30 days of testing, we found the 4 best models of 2025, and one of them is so durable, it survived a storm. Stick around because number 3 will shock you. All purchase links? Check the description. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Coleman SaluSpa Atlantis AirJet. Best overall. This square inflatable hot tub is one of the top-rated models on Amazon, with more than 2,000 5-star reviews. It's roomy enough to fit 6 people, with each person getting their own spot, but the overall footprint is still compact enough to work in smaller backyards. According to the brand, the 3-layer construction is designed to be more durable than standard PVC, offering increased resistance to punctures and stretching. For the price, the value is hard to beat. The set includes everything you need to get started: a cover, pump, chemical floater, 2 filter cartridges and a repair patch. Many users say the setup is quick and straightforward, and the water heats to 104 degrees Fahrenheit without much delay. The 140 AirJets provide a gentle, bubbling massage while you relax. Just keep in mind that the unit is not rated for use in temperatures below 39 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not ideal for year-round use in colder climates. Number 2. Bestway SaluSpa Miami EnergySense AirJet Inflatable Hot Tub. Best value. Bestway SaluSpa Miami EnergySense AirJet is slightly smaller than our top pick and seats up to 4 people, making it a great option for couples or smaller households. Its compact size also makes it more efficient. It holds 177 gallons of water and comes with an insulated EnergySense cover that the brand claims is 40% more energy efficient than similar models. Even at a lower price point, it comes with a solid set of features. You'll get a pump, filtration system, and 120 AirJet setup that can be controlled either through a compatible smartphone app or directly on the unit's digital panel. The only drawback is that there are no built-in seats, so you'll be sitting directly on the tub floor unless you choose to add cushioning separately. Number 3. MSPA Jet Square Hot Tub. Best 6-person. This 6-person inflatable hot tub is slightly larger than our top pick, making it one of the more spacious options for groups. It's designed with performance and ease of use in mind, especially for households that plan to use it often. The brand highlights its high circulation speed of 1,800 liters per hour, along with smart filtration and a UV sanitizer to help keep the water clean between uses. Despite its size and features, it's still considered energy efficient compared to similar models. The wired controller is simple to operate, letting you adjust the 132 jets and set the temperature up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. One standout feature is its ability to function in freezing temperatures, which makes it a solid choice for year-round use in colder climates. The only drawback is the lack of built-in seating, which might be noticeable if you plan to spend long sessions in the water. Number 4. Intex PureSpa Plus 6-person inflatable hot tub. Best with seats. If you're looking for extra space and comfort, the Intex PureSpa Plus stands out. Measuring 85 by 85 inches, it's the largest model in this list, so be sure to double-check your outdoor setup before buying. The large footprint offers plenty of room for up to 6 people, though it only includes 2 built-in seats. The remaining guests will need to sit on the floor of the tub, but the lower sidewalls make it fairly easy to get in and out. The 170 AirJets are well matched to the tub size and provide solid bubble action that users say feels great on sore muscles. This model also includes built-in LED lighting for a more relaxing environment at night. In terms of accessories, the PureSpa Plus is one of the most complete kits available. It comes with an insulated cover, thermal ground cloth, 2 filter cartridges, chlorine dispenser, test strip, inflation hose, and a carry bag for storage or transport. So, which hot tub are you getting? Comment fast! If this saved you from a leaky disaster, smash that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more brutally honest reviews. All the best deals? You know where, description below. See you in the next one.